Hello and welcome to IGCSE Mathematics 0580 extended course, syllabus topic E1 number, module E1.7, which is about standard form, and this is part 3 in which we're going to solve exercise 16 of chapter number 1. We are using Complete Mathematics for Cambridge IGCSE extended course written by David Rayner. Okay, so let's start exercise 16. It says in questions 1 to 12 give the answer in standard 5. So in question number 1 we are given 5000 into 3000, so we have to convert them into in the standard form. So let's convert 5000 in the standard form. The decimal we know that it's at the end, so we have to move on the left side how many places? 1 2 3, because it should be in the standard form, the decimal should be after the one digit. So it has moved 3 places toward the left. Left means 10 raised to power positive and 10 raised to power 3 places. So it is 5 into 10 raised to power 3, because we have moved 3 places towards the left, so it is plus 3 into 3 into, now once again we have moved 1 2 3 places towards the left, so it is 10 raised to power 3 plus 5 into 3 is 15 into, we have the same basis 10 raised to power 3 10 raised to power 3, so we add up the powers. 3 plus 3 is 6, so it will be 10 raised to power 6. So to write in the standard form, the decimal should be after the first digit. So of course it means that you move one place to the left, that decimal point, so it will be 1.5. 10 raised to power plus 1, because you move toward the left, so it is plus 1 into 10 raised to power 6 is already there. Once again you have the same basis, so you add up the power, so it is 1.5 into 10 raised to power 1 plus 6 makes 7. So this is the standard notation. In question number 2 we are given 60,000 into 5,000, so let's write it in the standard form. It will be 6 into, so we placed 1 2 3 4 places towards the left, so it will be 10 raised to power plus 4 into, in here we place 1 2 3 places towards the left, so it will be 5 into 10 raised to power plus 3, and 6 into 5 is 30. 30 into 10 raised to power 4 plus 3 is 7, because if the bases are same, which is 10 and 10, you can add up the power, so 4 plus 3 is 7. So in order to write in the standard form, the decimal should be in between 3 and 0, so decimal right now is here, so you have to move one place to the left, so left means plus 1, so it is 3 into 10 raised to power 1 into 10 raised to power 7. So once again the bases are same, you add up the power, so it will be 3 into 10 raised to power 8. So this is the standard form. In question number 3 we are given 0 point and there are 4 zeros and 7 into 400. So let's write this in standard form. So we have to move this decimal after the first digit, which is 7. So you have to move how many places? 1 2 3 4 5 places onto the right, so it will be 7 into 10 raised to power minus 5, because the decimal moves towards right. Right means negative power, into, in here decimal is here right now, so you have to move 1 2 places towards the left, so it will be 4 into 10 raised to power plus 2. So now 7 into 4 makes 28, and 10 raised to power minus 2 and 10 raised to power plus 2 means 10 raised to power minus 5 plus 2, which is minus 3, and 28 can be written as 2, because decimal is here, you have to move one place to the left in order to write in the standard form, so it will be 2.8 into 10 raised to power minus 3, so it will be 2.8 into 10 raised to power 1 into 10 raised to power minus 3. You have to add up the power. 1 minus 3 is minus 2, so 10 raised to power minus 2. So this is the standard notation. In question number 4 we are given 0.307 into 0.4 zeros and then 1. So let's write this in the standard format. We have to move the decimal point all the way till here after the one digit. So how many places you have to move towards right? 1 2 3 4 places, so it will be 7 into 10 raised to power, because the decimal moved towards the right, it will be 7 10 raised to power minus 4 into, in here you have to move all the way till here after the first digit. So how many places you move toward the right? 1 2 3 4 and 5, so it will be 1 into 10 raised to power, because decimal moved towards right, it will be minus 5, right? So 7 ones are 7 into 10 raised to power, because bases are same, you add up the power. Minus 4 minus 5 makes minus 9. So this is the standard notation. 7 into 10 raised to power minus 9. In question number 5, we are given 8000 divided by 0.004. So once again, let's keep on writing in the standard form. So it will be, how many places you have to move toward left? 1, 2, 3. So you can write like 8 into 10 raised to power, because decimal went to the left side, it will be plus 3, 3 places toward left, divided by this decimal should be here. So 1, 2, 3, it should be here after the one digit. So how many places you move? 1, 2, 3 places toward the right. So it will be 4 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and this minus 3 will move up, it will be positive. So it is 2 into 10 raised to power 3, it's already there, into, once it comes up, it will be 10 raised to power plus 3. And here you have the same basis, so again you will add up the power. So it will be 2 into 3 plus 3 makes 6, 10 raised to power 6. So this is the standard notation. In question number 6, we are given 0.002 whole raised to power 2. So let's write down in the standard notation. So you have to move decimal 1, 2, 3 places towards right. So you can write like 2 into 10 raised to power, because decimal have moved towards right, it will be minus 3 places, and it is whole power 2. And we know that if the power is above the bracket, everything inside the bracket will share this power. So it means that it is 2 raised to power 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3 raised to power 2. We just split the power. 2 raised to power 2 is, we know that it is 4, into, we know that power raised to power, these two numbers will multiply together. So it is minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. So it will be 10 raised to power minus 6. In question number 10, we are given with 0.0001 raised to the power 4. So let's write in the standard form. We have to move the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 places toward the right. So it will be 1 into 10 raised to power minus 4, because we have moved decimal point towards the right, and whole raised to power 4. Now we got two number 1 and 10, they will share the power 4 each. So 1 raised to power 4 remains 1, and 10 raised to power 4 raised to power 4 is 16, so it is minus 16. So this is the standard form. In question number 11, it is 2000 raised to power 3. So let's write in the standard form. Decimal is here, so you have to move 1, 2, 3 places towards the left. So it will be 2 into 10 raised to power 3, and we got whole power as 3. So it means that they will share each power of 3 to 2 and 10, then 10 raised to power 3 raised to power 3. We just split the power. So 2 raised to power 3 is 8 into 10 raised to power, we know that 3 raised to power 3 means they are multiplying. So 3 raised to power 3 is 9. So it is 9. So the standard form is 8 into 10 raised to power 9. In question number 12, it is given 0.00592 divided by 8000. So once again, let's write in the standard form. We have to move the decimal how many places toward the right? 1, 2, 3 places toward the right. So it will be 5.92 into 10 raised to the power minus 3, because the decimal point has moved to right side 3 places, and here the decimal is here, so it will move 1, 2, 3 places towards the left. So it will be 8 into 10 raised to power 3, right? And here we will move this 10 raised to power 3 on up, so it will be 5.92 divided by 8 into 10 raised to power minus 3 is already there. Once this 3 will reach up, it will be minus 3. So minus 3 and minus 3 make minus 6. Now let's divide it quickly. 5.92 divided by 8, because look at that first digit, which is 5, which is less than 8. It means that we have to move this decimal on top here. So this decimal has gone here, so just it is 59 here now. So it is 8 sevens are 56, and 3 carry, and 2, let's make it down, 32, and 8 fours are 32. So we are given 0.74. So it is, the answer is 0.74 into 10 raised to power minus 6. But we know that in order to write in the standard form, the dot should be here in after the first digit. So it means that you have to move one place to the right. It means it is 7.4 into 10 raised to power minus 1, because it has gone one place towards the right, and 10 raised to power minus 6 is already there. So it will be 7.4 into, we got 10 raised to the power minus 1, 10 raised to the power minus 6, bases are same, which is 10, so we add up the power, so it will be 10 raised to the power minus 1 minus 6 will be minus 7. Now it's a perfect standard form. So in question number 13, we are given three numbers A, B and C, and he said arrange A, B, C in order of size and smallest first. So we cannot tell which is smaller or bigger or the biggest until it should be in the decimal format. So let's convert them into the decimal format. So let's split it in three parts. This is for A, this is for B, and this is for C. A is 512 into 10 raised to power 2, right? Now 512 into 10 raised to power 2 means it is, simply speaking, 512, because it 10 raised to power 2, so it is two zeros here, so this is the number we are talking about in A. In B, the number is 0.478, it is in fact 7 in between, 78 into 10 raised to power plus 6. So you multiplying 6 here, it means that you have to move this decimal 6 places toward the right. So 3 places for this one, it means it will add 3 zeros, so it is 478 and 3 zeros, 1 2 3. So this is number in B, and for the C it is 0.0049 into 10 raised to power 7. You multiplying 10 raised to power 7, it means this decimal will move right side 7 places. So 1 2 3 4 is to this one, so it means 49, and 3 more, so it will add 3 0 to it, so it is 49,000. So now we got three numbers, and now you can tell which is smaller and which is the biggest, and in order of size you can clearly see that 49,000 and this is 51,200. So this C is the smallest one, so C first, then comes this is 478,000, and this is 51,200. So clearly A comes next and B is the largest among these three numbers. Okay, so in the next part we'll be solving question number 14 onwards, so see you there.